This is Sochi, and this is her continuous story. She has a rescue, and beautiful family rescue her and her pup that I'm currently having for boarding. The mom is very shy and scared of a lot of stuff, very unconfident, so we have to build her up. She doesn't seem to be very scared of everything, but she seems very passive about a lot of stuff. So by doing this kind of exercises, we're helping her to build up the confidence that she needs, helping her to grow some engagement, do some enrichment, but most important, bring her to life again. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.